Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are unpacking. Ugh, what the heck? Why did I pack a sock? Hi guys, guess what? Oh wait, no, you're wrong. We moved and this is my room, and originally this was not going to be my room. This room was supposed to be the movie theater room. Come over here. I even have a projector. It was built into it. That's nice. I can't figure out how to work it, so this is stuck. And I can move that thing up and down. But this is my room, and I'm so sorry it's a little messy. I've been unpacking because I moved. So you can help me unpack. Let's unpack together. Come on, don't be shy. You don't want to help? It's fine. You can watch me. Why am I looking at my hand? Oh, it's following my face now. So today we are going to be working on my vanity, trying to clean it up and make sure it's following my hand. Come on. This is what I'm dealing with. It's a lot to unpack. No pun intended. Get back over here. Follow my hands. It's a lot going on right here. You can clearly see. Let's just do this. Time for a time lapse. Let's go. So this is all my stuff for my vanity. Isn't it precious? All that stuff. But then I realized this is gonna be a lot. So let's move on to the cool aesthetic drawer opening things. And now I'm just putting all my makeup in this first one because I have no idea where to put it. It's obviously, gosh, do I have to explain everything? It's okay. I'm slow too. So I put all my lip gloss and my foundation and all that stuff. It's very nice. Very, very nice. I'm just yapping now. Okay, I'm gonna stop now and enjoy why am I doing a transition? Wow, there's nothing even changed. Nothing even changed. Now I'm putting all my hair products and brushes in all my lotion and hand creams, their makeup, just random crap, just to stuff it in. All my claw clips. I have a lot of claw clips. I think I have a problem, but it's fine. We all have one thing that we word a lot, and one is claw clips. Still counting. My hair stuff, like curlers, and this one, I don't know what I put in there. Oh wait, I put in lotion. Oh wait, no, I didn't like it, so then I took it out because I wanted to put it in a different drawer. For the next drawer, I have no idea what I'm gonna put in. Maybe we should put in what's it called? A DVD for Battlefield? Nah. Let's be real. Even my past self thinks it's a little dumb. I decided that I'm gonna put my hair products in that drawer, so we have more things to put in it. So think differently. I don't know why I was thinking this. I have a whole bunch of those. That's enough. Let's just go on with this. Next, we are moving on to my top of my vanity. There's my little fridge. Why am I showing my products? I just given up on that and I just shoved everything in there. Make some room, shove everything in there. And then turns out I had some like face masks, so then I put those in there. Yeah, but then turns out some of them didn't fit, so I put them in a freaking another drawer, but it's fine. I know I'm kneeling down on the ground right now and my knee hurts really bad, but I think we are finished with the vanity. Now I think we just need to move on to the rest of this or that. I think I'm gonna work whatever that is. We do not judge you. This is a trust the process video and you need to trust it. So let's move over here. First of all, I know what you're thinking. Why does this girl have so much crap? It's because I'm a hoarder. Yeah, I have a lot of crap, and I don't know how to let go of stuff. Oh, there's my old songbook. Let's see what. Oh, LED strips. Oh, I just realized it's broken. What else do I have in here? Is that a Nerf gun I see? Oh, there's my DVDs. There's my Nerf gun. Why am I shooting the camera? Okay, I'm gonna stop yapping now. I have every single color of jeans except for red, purple, blue, pink. I hope my voice is aesthetic. It's probably not. My stomach is growling. Okay, putting all my clothes in my drawers. I have tiny drawers, so like I have to like put a bunch of random stuff in each drawer. Boo, you thought I was in the closet, didn't you? Hey, it's okay, we all make mistakes. I just have some shirts that I need to put away, so all the hangers on this side. Stuffed animals are down there, my shirts, and then just a bunch of junk over there. For some reason, I have 3 backpacks, no 4 backpacks for some reason. I never got rid of them for some reason, which is a little weird. One of them was my mom's backpack. Not when she was in school, it was just another one I had 7th grade, and the other one was when I was in 4th grade or something. This is my sister's jacket. I'll be right back. Boom, you got it wrong again, but it's okay. It's fine, I wasn't even in the frame, so it didn't even count. So my dad and I were talking about maybe if we move my bed like that, I'll have more room because I don't really have that much room to walk. And I keep on getting bruises on my legs. So we are gonna move my bed probably. But I have to get this all cleaned out and I'm almost done. Come on, I need to hear that cheer sound effect. Boo, you suck. Thank you. Let's get on with it. Why am I so mean? I'm so sorry if I was hurting your feelings. I feel so bad. No, I'm just playing. So I'm gonna move over there to my nightstand. And I'm gonna put all my other clothes in it, all my other stuff, so we can get this situated. And then all the other junk, I'm probably gonna throw in like a bin that I don't even want. I should have done that before I moved, but I just didn't. It's fine, come on, let's go over here. Wait, I wanna do a cool transition, hold on. I'm gonna turn my head, and then boom. I am so sorry about the lighting, because I look like Peppa Pig right now. Go ahead, go crazy. That fire. Okay. We need to calm down, take a breath in with me. Hold my hands. We got this. Kind of sweaty, it's okay though. Mine are too, I think. No. Let's focus now, let's go. This is what I'm dealing with. More lighting. Yep. Bunch of cords. Yep. Let's move that out of the way. These are my mom's shoes. Me and my mom have the same shoe size. I guess I stole them from her. That's more like it. My LED light. And then my clock. It's like a mirror clock, isn't that a neato? Did I just say neato? Oh, there's me filming. And yes, I do film on my phone because I have the iPhone 16 Pro. I have, look at me. I have underwear and other stuff. And I don't want to film that, so it's a little weird. So I'm not going to film that. And then I'll put other stuff in the drawer. Hey guys, so this is what I've done so far. My phone died, so I basically had to charge it while I cleaned. And I have no idea what time it is. Let me zoom in. I have no idea what time it is, and I need to hurry because I think it's about to go to bed, even though it's so sunny outside. But still, why do I look so chopped in the mirror? What the heck? Boom, it's the next day, and we still need to get started on this. While you guys were asleep, I was working on my room. Come over here with me. So this is my room. I just need to fix my bed, organize that, and then when my dad comes back, I don't remember where he went. I think it was this, I don't know. My dad's gonna help me move my bed everywhere and move a bunch of stuff. And then boom, we're done. And I just lay out my carpet and I'll be like, boom. Sounds like a good plan. I did overnight curls. They did not turn out like I thought they would. Look how stiff this is. It's because of my hairspray. It just gave me volume. That's all it did. So I don't really have as much layers as I used to have layers. My layers, you could tell they were layers. Since my hair is all grown out, you can't tell. There's no layers anymore. It's just bloop and then boom, that's it. So I need to get new layers. Probably get that this summer for my glow up. And I'm probably gonna get highlights so you guys can come on that journey with me. So let's make my bed. I just stubbed my toe. What you want? Where did my... Oh. So I made my bed. I look so freaking huge on this bed. It's a little toasty in here. My fan is going, but it's really hot in here. Not just because I'm wearing sweats, but it's been hot for some reason. And outside it's really cold, and it's summer. Oh well, there's a me in my backyard, but we can go on. Get a little bit scared. Gotta hook my Echo Dot in the freaking wall. If I can find a plug. I don't think I'm gonna find a... Oh, it's right here. My rug. Let's just put it somewhere for now on the side of my bed. That won't work. And then this is my little bucket for my stuff. Guys, I think I'm done. I think I'm finally done. Look at all this. Just look around here. I'll even take you around here. Let me take you. Oh, there's me. Here, look up. Guys, I believe I'm done. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. And there's my dog's bed. We don't talk about the rug because I still use it though. But I'm done, guys. This is such a relief. This took me 3 days, I guess. I don't know. I'm trying to... Ooh. It was so nice seeing you guys again. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Me showing you my room and all that stuff. And I had a great time filming. Bye guys, see you in the next video. I'll probably film soon. I don't promise that because I don't know what will happen in the future, but I know that I'm gonna film soon. Bye guys.